Are you struggling to make money online? In this video, I'm going to show you the strategy I'm using to make commissions online. Check this out. These are my commissions with affiliate marketing, $248, $248. I remember when I had a 9-to-5 job and I was looking for ways to make money online because I didn't want to rely on only one source of income. And I tried many different things and I failed. And the one thing that was so easy to understand the business model was affiliate marketing. Because I just needed to promote a product, and when someone buys, I can earn a commission. And it was so hard to make my first online commission with affiliate marketing. Basically, it took me 1 year, but here's the thing, I didn't quit. And when I knew that I can make money online while having a 9-to-5 job, that changed everything. Now, let me show you the strategy I'm using to make commissions online with ClickFunnels. I'm driving traffic to this opt-in page, and when people click this button, I can collect the name and the email address. And this step is important because people don't buy at the first interaction. That's why you need the name and the email address to do the follow-up. Once people put their information, they are going to access to this page. And I'm telling them that please check their email. If they want to send me a message, they can click this blue button. And if they want to start learning today, they can click here, just show me how. Then they will get access to this page. And this page is important because I have here my video. And I'm explaining people what are the next steps. And when people click this button, get started today, they will go to my affiliate link. And if they buy, they will get access to the 72-hour challenge, which is a training on how to start affiliate marketing using short form videos. And basically, they can set up their business in 72 hours. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Talk to you soon.